I think I know what's wrong with this box truck. This is a problem that I've been trying to chase down for probably about 7 months now. I put this engine back in this truck probably in February after we rebuilt it the second time. The first time it probably lasted like a couple years. We got about 20,000 miles out of it until the glow plug dropped down in the cylinder. But this time, things are going to be a lot better. We're not going to have to worry about that anymore. And so what I think is happening here is I'm pretty sure that I assembled the fuel injectors incorrectly. I think that I put the fuel check valve in upside down so that the fuel is not being able to reach the needle. As a result, it can't push the fuel inside of the engine. Now, we do have high pressure oil at the injectors. Oil is not coming out of the top of the injectors, which I kind of thought maybe it still would even if I made this problem or made this mistake with the injector assembly. I'll also include a photo of the part that I think that I put upside down. I think what's happening is because the injector cannot compress fuel anywhere. I think that the high pressure oil is just trying to compress the little the poppet and everything to try to move that oil, but I think what's happening is that it's not able to even move that at all because the back pressure from the fuel not being able to escape anywhere. That's my theory. I think that's the issue. I'm going to pull out the rear injector and then just check that one and see if my theory is accurate. But before I do that, before I remove that one injector, I need to pump the oil out of the heads just so that it's not going to fill up the cylinders and make a huge mess. So I'm thinking I should probably use like compressed air and like a vacuum line, or not a vacuum line, but like a hose to try to push that oil like into a jug. Well, hopefully I see you guys soon with some good news. I'm going to try to work on this like probably next week. Whoa, why is it doing that?